Okay, I'm not too sure how much time I have to video this, but I'll get what I can. This is my newest rusty iron I picked up. We were looking at a 46 Dodge pickup with some modifications, like like this barrel fender. Love the barrel fender, right? Some old sheet metal work. It's leaves a lot to be desired. So, custom grill, and actually the whole truck's pretty custom. Okay, give another little rundown, a little closer view of this latest project I picked up. This little chopped up Dodge. They chopped her down pretty good. See if I can't get a shot at the chop job here. Right there. You can see that. I'm not sure what I think of that, but guess I'll know once I get all tore down and get a better look at it. This is what it is. She's it's not much. She's not much, but she's pretty solid. She's solid. I don't see any rust. Everything sounds good. Doors are pretty solid. Even opens. Got a seat out of an old van. It's pretty solid. Check out. Yeah, I'm happy with this. This is all workable. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Pretty solid cab. These old Dodge trucks weren't as highly sought after back in the day, but now they make good projects. I like just solid as a rock. Can't beat that. So, custom fenders or something else. This has a lot to be desired. I can't handle that. That'll be easily changed, I think. I've already been through this once. The old custom grill. Not even sure what that. They used to make that. But she's kind of an open shell project right now. Put anything and everything. Anything we want, I guess. I don't know about everything, but figure something out. It's the worst rust in the whole thing right here. Chop these floorboards. My people's custom work. I don't know what they had in mind, but I think it's pretty solid. Pretty solid. Alright, so here's a rundown the other side here. It's all good and solid. Just love it when you get this solid at this age. Just sitting around. I think it's just a little rust here, but seems like it's all going to be pretty easy compared to some of these rusted out old vehicles. But we'll see where this project goes. Projects. They're everywhere. Just gotta look and find. Alright, so here I am at my local scrap yard, the scrap iron place. I just noticed they had a bunch of old vehicles laying around, all for sale. You know, if somebody doesn't have a rusty project, it's because they don't want one, because they're everywhere. So this is an old Hudson. Old Hudson. So it seems to be pretty complete. Not too bad for being a old rust bucket. What we got going on inside? Oh, nice pack rat nest. Oh yeah. Wonder how many old coins are underneath the seats in this thing, huh? Got part of a transmission anyway, it looks like. It might be all there. This guy's gone through a lot of scrap iron. Back when scrap iron was up in price. Oh, four-door Dodge. Just for parts, huh? Another old Hudson. This looks like right around the same year as the other one. Yeah. Boy, somebody was a Hudson collector. Not sure what year these are. Not much of a Hudson guy. Couple old Hornets here. I'm telling you, if a guy wants a project, they're all over the place. And another Hudson. Wow, we got a Hudson collection. Lots of Hudsons. Another Hornet. What do we got here? Another Hudson. I did not realize there were so many Hudsons. Hudson heaven. Hudson heaven. Looks like a lot of them are complete with engines and stuff in them. Everything's for sale. V8 Hudson. I don't have a Hudson. Maybe I should get one. This is interesting. I like this. I wonder what year a Hudson this is. This would go nice with my Oldsmobile. Parts. Let's do a quick walk around. I suppose if anybody wants a closer look and they're still here, I'll come back and give you a closer look, I guess. Suicide doors, gotta like that. Huh. Hudson. Did not realize they were all Hudsons. I seen them from a distance. Is everything a Hudson? I'm getting tired of saying Hudson. I don't think that's a Hudson. Oh yeah, we're Ramble or Rebel. A Rambler in the bunch. Well,